Myntri Human Resource Development HRD Jangka Sarkar India Prakash Javadekar Karpotrik Nailor Hakasi Bawan Yokujat Anong Ba Shulong Ulong Kisamna Pule Kim De Bandon Jinx Air Patman Kuslai Yakabai Bam Tang Namar Pakim Don Aadhar Card Javadekar Udon Hakanong Ba Man Pelong Jingelang Kerpang Berki Director KIM Hanong Ba Shulong Habai Kren Bikilat Patai Kubor Javadekar Ulong Kisamla Pule Kibom Don Aadhar Card Kim De Ban Tieng Markin don jing nakabenta ban yo eka scholarship bat kiwe ki jing yo jing mentoy ulong kan don jing henry ngi kin tiu Aadhar uba kim don kam ban siu bat ka ban pin mentoy ki ula pin pau ba ka sarkar preng ka pin mi ban kin tiu Aadhar bo long uba bha bat bu de unique identity card bat uba pin shisha ka jing long nong song snong hagoi ka liang habai dei bat ka jingilang bat ki director ka IAM Javadekar lapen tip ba ka sarkar Klasyumi karai bat pen klan arsha kisamna pule Javadekar ulong bayamenta ka IAM kala man pedang tang hadu spo jan ngot kisamna pule nalor ka taw ulong ka IAM kan sa ay ka plan na jingtmu jongka bay day ka jing penyar nambar kikwa man ken tiu penbon syaka arpo jar hakaju ka por hakani ka jingelang kilarai ban penyar ya ka program pule bakila man penpoi hak kedan doctorate khnang bakin la ban penbai ya ka jing habai day ka jing tuna kinohikai HAM kat ko Myntri ka HRD ka sarkar ka kwa manyarap ikitu ki kwa pan puli ka doctoral degree tak baterwa syaki khambon ka jinge selong.
We had very good and successful meeting of all IIM directors and chairmen. It was a very productive meeting. It met after 2 years. But we'll meet now more frequently to discuss 1 or 2 specific issues every time. So we have decided 3-4 things. That the IIMs will also give their plan for expansion of their intake capacity. So today, nearly 10,000 students are in IIMs, various IIMs. We want to increase it up to 20,000. So more students will get opportunity to take part in the best institutes. And all directors also narrated how they are ready for how much expansion, and if there are some problems they have also mentioned, so they will submit action plan on expansion of students intake. That's first this.